Hello and welcome. My name is Christopher Willis and I'm a principal security researcher here at Prelude. Today I'm going to be showing you CSwipe, which is our latest in our ransomware theming series. Last week we released Swipe, which was a Swift ransomware kill chain, and this follows the same kill chain but is written in C instead of Swift. So let's get started and let's show you the chain. So currently I have Prelude operator up, and I also have a Linux VM. So CSwipe works currently in Linux, but we intend to do other operating systems in the future. So currently I'm in our cloud range, and I have our Linux Ubuntu agent already running. So just like with Swipe, you'll want to go in here and provision a new redirector. You'll select Team Headless, and then you'll also select the spiderweb.python, and then hit provision. We already have it provisioned here, but you'll want to do that in order to do the translator. So we'll go back up to cloud here. So let's look at our Swipe Ransomware. We'll hit edit. Let's look at the actual chain. So we're going to be delivering the CSwipe payload. It will go through our redirector, which I already have put in here. It will then look at the name, and then we'll take things from the downloads folder. You can also specify if you want to run this as a safe or not safe. In this case, we're not going to run it safe, so we're actually just going to upload the files to the redirector, and then we'll replace all the files currently on the downloads folder as a ransomware note. So what's the big deal for this type of ransomware kill chain is that you're not using encryption. You're actually pulling the files out to the redirector, and then you're replacing them with ransomware files. So this should get around a lot of EDRs and things like that. They're looking specifically for doing mass encryption of files. So let's get started. Let's run our chain and see how it looks. All right, so we'll go to our range, our adversary, go to swipe, we'll hit deploy. So as you can see, the files are already starting to move. So what this is doing is actually taking the file, uploading it to the redirector so that you can get to those files later. So if you wanted to go into your EC2 instance and grab the files, you can. And then if we click on any of these files here, you'll notice that now it's been replaced with a ransomware. So this wasn't like this, just jumbled files that didn't have anything in them. But then every file that would be in that directory would then be replaced with a ransomware node. Now let's say that you had a directory within your downloads folder, that directory would be untouched. And so that's our CSwipe ransomware. So now we're going to be going into a new theme. So take a look out for that. And with that, thank you so much. Please give us a like and a subscribe, and have a good rest of your day.